Check it out. So this is going to be kind of a unboxing video for something. I'm not going to tell you yet until you see it. So let's do this. So for those of you who don't know, most of you do know, I am actually really into Cardcaptor Sakura. Like really into it. No joke. So it took a while for it to get here, which I was not very happy about. But then again, that's because it was literally shipped on a boat from Japan. Cheapest shipping, considering this item was kind of expensive to begin with. I really didn't have the money for EMS. And most of you know how expensive EMS can actually be. So we won't go there. Enough with the scissors. Alright guys, the moment. So I got my cool looking thing that says I just bought it. And the moment. Oh, I came with a little Super Groupies thingy, tag thingy. Okay. So it was packed pretty good. It was in there like that. Anybody know what it is? It's the Cardcaptor Sakura SuperGroupies blow dryer. Yay! Packed it really, really good. So there we have it. Check it out. Cardcaptor Sakura SuperGroupies blow dryer. Yay! There's the side, the back. Everything's in Japanese, of course. The other side. Yep, that's it. I'm super happy to have this finally. It's been a few months, I'll tell you that. Almost half a year of the waiting for this, actually. It did not make me very happy. Alright, so let's open it. Okay. So it's packed pretty good, actually, if you look at that. Let's get the scissors in. Okay, so I'm just going to do one side so that I can put it back. Yay! Oh, it looks so pretty. So worth it. Seriously, this is so worth it. So it comes with directions, which are pretty awesome. Quite literal directions that you can actually unfold. That's hilarious. They don't think we know how to use a blow dryer, apparently. Directions on how to use the actual blow dryer. So, yeah, everything's in Japanese, but that's okay. It looks like the cord is American. That's good. I won't need to spend money on a converter. So yeah, the directions. So it's packed with little bits of bubble wrap, which I'll have fun with later. Anger management. And there it is. Yep. Okay. So yes, for everybody who is wondering, cord is American. You will not need a converter to make this work in the US, which is really awesome. Because I don't need to spend money on that now. So it comes wrapped in a bag, folded up, with that tied up. And there we are, in the flesh. Look at that. Look how pretty that is, like really. So yes, there are bootlegs of this, unfortunately, out already. They were out for a while. You know if you're getting a bootleg if it's coming from China. Otherwise, if it's coming from Japan, it's the real deal, but it will cost you. So if you look at it, it's going to have a quick dry, hair care, cool, and off setting that you can click it into place and it'll actually work. Okay? Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm going to need to get a stand for this to show it in my room. I really am. Again, cord is American, so the plug-in will work here. Okay. It's got its ampage, of course, in Japanese, but yeah. Isn't that neat? Yay! I can't tell you how long I've been waiting for this thing. I was worried it would never come, to be honest. But the other way you'll tell is I noticed that the Japanese authentic version, like this one, will be shiny. The other one will not. So, because it's got the shiny gold. The other one actually will not. So yeah, I'm really, really excited about this. You know what? Let's try it. Okay, so I have plugged it in to an extension cord. Okay. Yay! So it works. It smells nice. It smells kind of cool, actually. So off. Okay. So it's in the off position. Cool. And there it is. There you have it. Okay, so quick dry is very hot. Hair care is like medium warm. And of course cool is cold. And then off. So yes, it works here in the US. I am in Colorado, USA. So it will indeed work. The other thing that you'll see too is it's got the trademark stuff right there too. So that's the other way you're going to know it's authentic. Plus it came from SuperGroupies. So that's an obvious one. Now, this is not by Clamp, I don't believe. But inspired by, I guess is the terms you would use. Anyway, I love it. I am really happy about it. For what I spent, I am quite happy. It was worth it. And works. That's the point, is that it works. So yeah, that's it. SuperGroupies blow dryer that came out just this last year in 2016. Came out November, I believe. No, it was shipped in November. It came out a couple months ago because I've waited 2 to 3 months for this thing to be actually shipped. But it came from a port in Japan, so it was by boat. Thus the cheapest way to ship, apparently. I bought it through a third party. I don't remember the name of the page, but I can put it at the bottom of this video. But it's really, really awesome. I can tell you right now, it was worth it. Most definitely worth it. Well, thanks for watching, and bye for now.